Welcome to How to Solve.
For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. So first of all is to open your TikTok app, and then on your profile page, click on the three lines located on the upper right of your screen to open the menu. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down to Cache and Cellular, and then tap on Free Up Space. Clear both cache and downloads. And once you're done, open your phone settings and then scroll down to General. Tap iPhone Storage and then find the TikTok app. And once you find it, tap on that, then tap Offload app, then tap again to confirm. If the issue persists, try reinstalling the app.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.